Most of you know rescue is something that you will lose it if you don't use it. And I don't care how many rescue jobs you've sat on in the last 6 months. That doesn't mean that you're ready to go on a rescue job. I've seen some rescue techs sit on jobs and never touch a rope, never pick up any equipment. I will tell you that's not what I consider a rescue tech. But a rescue tech makes sure that his job's ready to go, make sure he's bending rope and knows how to do the job when it comes up. With everything with rescue, we build upon the basic skills that we have to be a rescue technician. How to tie basic rescue knots, how to build mechanical advantages, and then kind of some background and history as to why we do the things we do. How OSHA comes into play with it, how NFPA is involved with it. That's kind of the minimal basic building blocks of that stuff. Everybody got a rope? Now, when I say tie a knot, there's two things to that. You need to be able to tie it expediently, but it needs to be tied correctly, and it needs to be dressed. We don't want no naked knots, okay? Without a knot, you just have a rope. So knots are kind of the foundation of how we do rescue. That's how we attach our ropes to our equipment, how we use those things to turn an ordinary rope into a piece of tool. Now the way I do it, let me pause a moment and tell you that there's more than one way to tie a knot. As long as it's right and as long as you're comfortable with it, tie it that way. Not everybody has, like we talked about, has the skill to be a rescue technician, so not everybody in this class is cut out to be a rescue technician. So they may not have an opportunity to be a rescue technician with Code Red. I think there's so many times, because of demand, there's very little trained personnel that are going out in the job and being exposed to huge risk. And as far as Code Red, we're looking at trying to build quality, not quantity.